What's going on, everyone? Got a 2024 Ford Maverick here today, and I'm going to show you how to go ahead and pull the cabin air filter if you want to change it. Okay, this is not too bad. It's pretty simple. It doesn't require any tools, but the cabin filter is located behind the glove box on this truck. Now we're going to need to lower the glove box, and to do that, sometimes there's a damper right here, connected right here, that we just pop off the arm. That's going to be the first step. This truck actually doesn't have it. Okay, some of them do, some of them don't. So we don't have to do that step. Now to lower the glove box now, we're going to go ahead and push these guys inward like this. These are stoppers. And once you get them pushed in, the glove box will fold down and out of the way. All right, so the cabin filter is located inside here, and this is the door for it. Now if we look right here on the left, this is how the door locks. So we're gonna go ahead and push this tab out, and then we're gonna actually pull the door towards us, okay? And that will open the door. Now you gotta be kind of careful with this tab right here because it's just made out of plastic. And if you go too far with it, you can break it right off. And if you notice, Ford puts a hole right here, and that's in case you do break it off, you can use a screw to re-secure it, okay? So Ford's doing a little bit of thinking there, okay? So we unlock this one, and it's the same thing on this side here. It looks exactly the same. I'm gonna pull, unlock it, and then we can pull the whole door down. Now notice, this is a Ford factory filter here, and we have an airflow, and it has a direction, which is gonna be down. So when you get your new filter, make sure you install it the same way with the airflow down, okay? And we can just pull it out just like this. This one's not too dirty. Got a little bit of dirt in there. I probably will take a picture of this and show it to the customer and recommend it because it is kind of dirty. And they're not very expensive. If you'd like to get one that fit your Maverick, I'll have a link down in the description box and in the comment box where you can just click that. It'll take you to Amazon and you can pick up a premium filter there for under $20. Okay, sometimes they come in packs of 2 for under $20 also. But they're going to be premium, so they're going to be a little bit thicker, and they're going to get rid of some odor a little better than these Ford factory ones. So check that out if you want to buy a filter from Amazon. But you get your new one, just going to slide it back in here like this. Make sure it's all the way in there. Get the door. We didn't break any of these guys, so we can just put this back on just like this. Now to close this glove box up, all we got to do is take it and just close it like that. Well, I hope the video was helpful. If it was, if you could so please support the channel by subscribing, liking, and even commenting, that would be wonderful. Well, you guys take care, be safe, and have a great weekend.